Tonight, more and more African-American homebuyers are hearing the word denied from lenders across Detroit.
And that's according to the latest Detroit City Future study. It shows white mortgage applications have a higher approval rate compared to black applicants. 7 Action News reporter Faraz Javid gives us an in-depth look at this disturbing problem that's been going on for decades and how it could stunt the community's growth.
Metro Detroit is considered the nation's mortgage capital, but even then, most black borrowers are still getting rejected as they chase their dream home.
There's a 13% denial rate for white borrowers and a 27% denial rate for African-American borrowers just in 2020.
Anika Goss from Detroit Future City says across Southeast Michigan, Detroit's approval rate for people of color is embarrassing.
Just looking at the mortgages themselves and the number of approvals, Detroit should be at a much higher rate in comparison to other cities around the country that have a similar population.
To apply for a mortgage, you start with filling out an application and submitting supporting documents. Next, the lender reviews your case, and this is the first major hurdle where statistically most black applicants get rejected.
Credit is by far the largest reason for denial for African Americans.
Lack of collateral, high debt-to-income ratio, and insufficient cash are some of the other factors. And if an applicant moves forward, Steve Tomkowiak from Fair Housing Center says the next blow comes during the appraisal step.
The lending process overall, there's I think 50% of it centers on the borrower, the other 50% of it centers on the appraisal of the home. It's a standard requirement in every loan application that an appraisal be performed, and we are seeing an uptick in appraisal complaints.
Steve says the challenges also exist for homeowners trying to sell their property.
They pull down from the walls any art objects, any pictures, anything that would indicate the home's owned by a black family, and then would have someone else stand in when the appraiser has to make a home visit to the home that's being appraised, and they then saw dramatic increases in the appraised value of the home.
This document shows lender denial rate in Detroit. In 2020, the highest was 89.6%.
If lenders keep denying African American borrowers, what happens to the city? Like, how is the city going to be impacted?
That's a real problem with lending discrimination. There's a lot of effects from that. You destabilize communities, you decrease home ownership rates, you kind of force people into more of a transient lifestyle from home to home to home. Some are in substandard housing because of it.
As for solutions, experts say awareness is key and to report any unfair practices.
Already so much at play. We talked about Fannie Mae trying to lead to change credit practices. We know the OCC and the federal government is also looking hard at financial literacy and credit.
Besides the disparity, Anika says that mortgage applications across Metro Detroit have increased overall, and this also includes African American applicants. I'm Faraz Javid, 7 Action News.